guys, hello. I'm back from another video. Just now. I just recently found this cool game on Roblox. It's called Kill the Killer. Yeah. We have three roles: survivor, hero, and a killer. I will explain you the roles of the narrator. They have skins. This is the skins. He is the killer, Skis on playing Dr. 1X and Tester. Production, the Slayer is the hero, Survivors is PD Survivalist and Hacker. Now the round started. Okay. Now I could be. What can I do? Yo, I'm the killer? Yo. I think just the best killer is 1X or but he has the skin of 1X. Yeah, the killer, guys. So basically, if you're a killer, you just kill everyone. Invisible. Yeah, no one can find me. I'm invisible. I'm invisible. This guy's dead. Nah, the hero is trying to kill me, bro. You're noob. Come here, bro. I hear someone fixing the computer. I found someone. Bro, why is this guy? Nah, I'ma kill you first. You're so annoying, I'ma kill you first. I'm gonna kill you first. You're so annoying, bro. Come here. Stop running. Why are you running now? You're annoying. Yeah. My exploit. There's time, bro. He's dead. Yeah, he's dead. Just sacrifice. Now you're dead. This hero, bro. So basically, if you're the hero, just a computer error. Yeah, and I will show you. I'm showing you my gameplay as well on how to play it. Time to die, bro. Wait, gonna. Okay, I think he juked me, bro. Being a killer is pretty hard, by the way. There. Being a killer is, I told you, buy 1x1 rule. So I'm gonna explain now the rules. If you're a survivor, you need to find computers around the map, and you need to hack them. And just for information, you need to hack 5 computers to unlock the gate. Yes. Once you hack 5 computers, just unlock the gate and avoid the killer. The killer could just damage you if you're just gonna hold it till it unlocks. And if you're the hero, just kill the killer, bro. You're just gonna kill the killer. And if you want to win and you don't have all 5 computers hacked, you just need to wait for the timer to run out and you're gonna win. The killer's gonna lose. Why this guy spamming emotes, bro? Now, Okay. So, I'm gonna do a part 2 of this vid when I show my gameplay. So, see you guys on the next vid. Bye-bye. Bro.